Overcoming fear and street anxiety is one of the most important steps in becoming a confident street photographer. Fear is natural. It appears in beginners and experienced photographers alike. The difference is not the absence of fear, but the ability to work alongside it. Street anxiety often comes from self-awareness. You feel visible. You worry about being judged, questioned, or misunderstood. These thoughts pull attention away from seeing and place it inward. Learning to manage this shift is essential. The first step is understanding that fear is informational, not dangerous. Fear signals unfamiliar territory. It does not mean you are doing something wrong. When you recognize fear as a response rather than a command, it loses power. Preparation reduces anxiety. Familiarity with your camera settings, silent shooting, and simple composition choices removes technical hesitation. The less you think about equipment, the more present you become. Start slowly. You do not need to photograph people immediately. Begin by observing. Photograph light, shadows, and environments. Let your body adjust to being in public with a camera. Comfort grows through exposure, not force. Positioning helps. Standing still often feels less stressful than walking with intention. When you pause and observe, you appear natural. People adjust to your presence quickly and stop noticing you. Breathing matters. Anxiety tightens the body. Slow, steady breathing relaxes posture and movement. Calm body language communicates confidence even when you feel nervous. Reframing perception is powerful. Most people are absorbed in their own lives. They are not watching you. The attention you feel is often imagined. Recognizing this reduces self-consciousness. Small successes build confidence. Capture simple moments. Review them later and acknowledge progress. Confidence grows from repetition, not perfection. Fear of confrontation is common. In reality, confrontations are rare. When they happen, calm honesty resolves most situations. You are not required to argue. Respectful communication and willingness to disengage protect both you and the subject. Permission is not always required, but respect is. Knowing your ethical boundaries helps reduce internal conflict. When you trust your intent, fear diminishes. Street anxiety also decreases with routine. Visiting the same locations regularly creates familiarity. The environment becomes predictable, and your mind relaxes. Mindset shifts matter. You are not taking something from the street. You are observing and learning. Photography becomes an act of curiosity rather than intrusion. Comparisons increase anxiety. Social media often shows confident images without context. Remember that every photographer experiences fear. Growth is invisible but universal. Over time, fear changes shape. It becomes alertness rather than anxiety. You feel aware rather than tense. This state supports better observation and timing. Overcoming fear does not mean becoming fearless. It means becoming present. When your attention moves outward, fear quiets naturally. Street photography rewards those who return despite discomfort. Each step outside builds resilience. Each moment observed builds trust in yourself. When fear no longer controls your decisions, the street opens up. You see more clearly, you move more freely. And photography becomes not a test of courage, but a practice of awareness.